Hey everyone. I hope you all are safe at home. You all must have heard about Xiaomi's 108 megapixel device, the Mi 10 5G, just launched in India with flagship-level specifications. The Mi 10 5G contains Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, coupled with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. There is also a LiquidCool 2.0 vapor chamber along with a 6-stack graphite layer and graphene surface area for thermal management. The phone has a quad rear camera setup that includes a 108 megapixel primary sensor with a 7-piece lens and optical image stabilization (OIS), along with a 13 megapixel wide-angle lens that has a 123-degree field of view and an f2.4 aperture. The camera setup also has a pair of 2 megapixel cameras with f2.4 lenses. Considering the display as an important factor, the Mi 10 5G has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 1080 x 2340 pixels, 3D curved E3 AMOLED display that has a 90Hz refresh rate, 180Hz touch sampling rate, and a 19.59 aspect ratio. The smartphone also has 1120 nits peak brightness and a punch-hole design front camera. It also has 50x digital zoom and supports 8K video recording, but only for 6 minutes. Here I am sharing its camera samples with you. So this was all about Mi 10 5G, which will be available for sale soon. Please like the video and subscribe to channel for more tech updates.